back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today's show is about canned potatoes. You know, it's just the quickest, easiest thing to make potatoes. All you have to do is open the can, take the can of potatoes, dump it in the pan, fire up your burner. You might want to put a little bit extra water in here. Looks like the one can barely covers the bottom, but I'll put some more water in here. Then I'm going to put in some olive oil and some salt and pepper. Here's garlic salt. This will be really, really good. You know, you kind of salt potatoes and tomatoes heavily. Here is black pepper. Bring them to the boil. I have the measuring cup with water, and I'm going to put in just enough to cover the potatoes. And then we'll wait for them to cook, and I'll pull them out. And there you go. That's the show for today. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.